Moringa leaves rich in calcium, minerals, folic acid, very healthy vegetable. So here the trick is wash along with the twigs when it is attached to the twigs, wash with water, because if you separate out the leaves and then wash it, which I was doing before, all the leaves would get stuck on the hand. So this is the best way to wash, and then dry it a little bit for 1 hour. Put it on a kitchen towel or any cotton napkin you have, and let it dry all the water, and then you can separate the leaves. It's a very healthy vegetable, moringa. And now I am taking out from the smaller stems. Stems are not chewable, so take out all the leaves and try to take out as many stems as you can. And once the leaves are dry, it's easier to chop them. If the leaves are tender, then you don't need to even chop them. My mother used to always prefer tender leaves, and because there's no need to chop them. So now I'm chopping them. Moringa leaves can be made into stir fry. You can make smoothies out of it, tea. You can add it to lentils. If you're making any kind of pancakes, uttappam, you can add to this, especially for kids. If they don't eat the vegetables, you can add this. So this is chopped very nicely, and you can add the leaves also, as I said. Now this is a very simple recipe. So what I've done is taken some oil, and I'm going to add red chilies. I'm not adding too many spices because I want that flavor of moringa leaves. And saute it. The flame should be low, and it takes about 5 to 7 minutes to cook this, and depends on how the leaves are. If the leaves are tender, don't take much time. I'm going to add soaked peanuts. You can add any dal like moong dal, chana dal, soaked, any kind of lentils. Add some salt and saute and keep it covered. If the leaves are not very tender, then put some water, like about 4 to 5 tablespoons, and let it cover and cook. So now keep on stirring it after every 2 to 3 minutes if you're not adding water. If you're adding water, then you can check it after 5 minutes. So add some water if the leaves are not tender. And it's a very simple vegetable to make, and I'm going to add some jaggery. It's optional. It is some typical little bit bitter kind of flavor, so jaggery will cut off the flavor. And we're also going to top it off with fresh coconut. So now this is done. I'm going to put off the gas stove. This can be served with rotis, a side dish with rice, and I'm going to add some fresh grated coconut. And after adding coconut, I'm not going to cook it because I'm going to serve it right away. So the gas flame is put off. Add coconut and cover and keep it. The steam from the vegetable will allow all the flavors of the coconut to melt in. So please subscribe Nari Seki for more videos. Thank you for watching.